This is the 4K drone. Comes in this pack. How to use it? Just open this. This is the drone itself. It's very portable. You can see how small it is in my hand. It's very portable but very powerful. So it has 4 wings. You open the wings. Make sure that you open this wing very well. Don't allow it to be like this. It will not function well. Make sure it's fully open. If anyone is like this, if it is partially open, it will not function well. So make sure it's like this. Then at the bottom side, you find the battery. This is the battery. You also find a replacement battery inside the pack. You will find a replacement battery inside the pack as well. So this is the battery. We insert like this. First of all, let me show you. On this pack, you'll find this is the charger to charge the drone. Insert this like this. Insert it. Then you plug it into a charge connector, a USB charge connector. For example, let me show you from this USB charge connector. Just plug it into a charge connector like this. So you can see it now. The charge connector. So because the battery is full already. Battery. Let me quickly plug it in. You can see it's showing red. You can see this red, indicating that it's charging the battery. When the battery is fully charged, this red light will go off. That means the battery is fully charged. So back to it. You find the drone. You find this is the controller of the drone. This is the remote control. You can open it here. This is your phone holder. Put your phone inside here. So these are the throttle. The throttle. Also, you have the protector. This is the wind protector. This thing protects this wing, so that should in case it's crashed towards a wall or anything, it will not damage this wing. So how do you put it? Turn it like this. Pick them one by one. You insert like this. Press this into this hole. The other one into the second hole like this. So you insert it into the 4 places like this. Insert it, all of them complete. Make sure you insert this thing before you start flying the drone. Anytime you want to fly the drone, insert it, and after you are through, you pull it gradually and keep it inside the box. Also, you find extra wind. You find extra wind for it, and you also see the user manual and the software installation guide that you install on your phone. So to make this drone function now, let's go like this. This remote, it uses battery. It makes use of AAA battery. So you buy an AAA battery, 3 pieces of it. You insert the AAA batteries into the drone remote controller. So then you insert the battery of this. Insert its own battery into it. Make sure it's like this. This side is up. Then go to your phone. If you are using an Android phone, go to your phone, go to Google Play and search for H-Phone. H-Phone. Search for H-Phone app on Android phone. So you download and you install this app, and then you open it. When you open it, you keep it one side. This is how you connect everything. First of all, keep it one side. Power the drone on by pressing this one. So the drone is on. Power the remote on. Press this one. The remote is on. Now watch what we do now. So you do it like this. Do it like this. Then you can now start. You can see it. You can see the drone. This is the drone. This is the remote. So look at this function. This function, if you press it here, it turns the drone. You press it here, you turn it back. This one, use it to go. So for this one, can you see? If I go this side, and turn this side. So this one take it up, this one bring it down. So it's quite easy to fly. Then this function, we have this one here. This is start and stop. Start and stop. This one is for it. When you press and hold it for long, it will automatically return. So you have to be careful while using the drone. I just crashed it just now, so be careful while using the drone. Now I'm back here again. You can also use this throttle to start and stop the drone. If you press it like this, it will start. Then if you push it up, I just pushed it up and it starts. You push it up, it will start. If you push it down like this, now it will stop. Now one thing again, this drone, if you want to control it very well, make it be like this, meaning the back is facing you. If the back is facing you, then this control will work as it is, like left, right, up, down. But if it is like this, if the camera is facing you, meaning this place, if you press here, the drone will not go like this, it will go the other way around. Hope you understand. So if the drone is facing you like this and you want to take the drone to this side, you push the remote to this side instead of this side. But if the drone is facing like this, then the remote will work accordingly. But this one can always work how it is already. So this one is used to lift up. This one is used to lift down and also off it and start it. You can also use this button here to start and stop. This button here is for taking picture, and this one is for starting video, to video and to take picture. Now let's show you how to connect it with your phone. First of all, you must have connected it with the remote control. It's with the remote control. Then you go to your phone, you install that app. After you install the app, go to your Wi-Fi. Go to the Wi-Fi of your phone and search. You will see Wi-Fi 4K. Connect to it. It will connect. It's connected now. So go back to the application. Click on this menu. Click on this menu to show this one. Click on it to show connecting. You can see it now, show connecting. So it has connected now. Then you calibrate. You calibrate, then you click on start. So with that one, you are set. You can see now, look at the remote. You can see the camera is now videoing. So this is me, this is everybody here. So after you done that, just insert your phone into the controller like this, and then you can start your drive. So you can see now everything is shown. So you see the camera, I'm showing every other place. So when you want to record, either you use the on-screen button there. You want to record or you want to snap, you can use one to snap, it's taking picture. You can use this one to record also. It's recording and stop. You can also make use of the button on the remote control. You can also make use of the button on the remote control. So you see, it's just, you can see the drone now is moving around making video. Then also there is, to control the camera of the drone, you put on this one, make it green, then press this arrow to bring it down. So this one you use it to control the camera of the drone, use it to look where you want to get it. So this is used to control the camera of the drone. Also you go through the manual to see some of the function of the drone, but these are the basic function, and you have to be careful because this drone is actually, is not a toy drone. It's not a toy drone. It can injure somebody if you don't use it well. So first thing first, make sure that you wear the blade control protector that we put on the first time, so that it doesn't damage the drone as well as injure somebody if you go and meet person. Then also you try to control the drone gradually. From there you master how to use it. So it's quite easy. It's quite easy to control. So the drone now currently is looking at me. You can see the drone is looking at me currently, so you can control the camera so that it views my side shot. So the drone is currently looking at me, so it's quite easy to operate. So for example, I want to stop this drone now. I'm through with my flight. And I want to stop it. You can see this button here. This one, the one that you can also use to start it. This one, you can just press it once and you see the drone. You see it is coming down and it calms down by itself. So you can also use that same button to start up the drone again. The same button, this one, you can just look at it now. You press it, yeah, press it and it comes down. Start, stop. So it's easy for you to start and stop with this button. Start, stop. So you can also as well use this throttle to start and stop by pushing it up. Start, then bring it down. Just press and hold it down to stop. So the drone is quite easy to operate, but you just have to be careful. You just have to be careful. The maximum flight distance of this drone is 100 meter. 100 meter, and the camera is quite clear. It's quite clear to the capacity, so you can use it to do some short videos and any other thing. Then finally, the battery of this drone can take a maximum of 15 minutes while on operation. So one battery can take up to 15 minutes, and most of the drone you will find out they mostly spend not more than 7 to 10 minutes. So this one battery is quite okay, and we have an extra battery for it. So when you are going for a shot, you charge both battery and you can use it and you can get up to 30 minutes video. So hope with this you understand how to use the drone. For a recap, this throttle button, this is used to start, or you push up start, you push down stop, and when you have started it, if you keep pushing it up, it will be taking the drone upward, and bringing this one down, it will bring the drone downward. Push it in this side to turn the drone to that side. By rotating it, it will rotate the drone. This one rotate the drone, This one also rotate the drone. Why this one is used to pull the drone to the left, pull the drone to the left, pull the drone to the right, pull the drone forward, pull the drone backward. Then if the drone is facing you, if the camera is facing you, then you know that this control will be in the opposite direction. Meaning if you push it here, instead of it to go left, it will go right. If you push it here, instead of for it to go right, it will go left. If you push it here, instead of for it to go forward, it will come backward. And if you push it down, instead of for it to come backward, it will go forward. So this is used to off the drone. So thank you for the short presentation. I can now start my drone again. So we have our drone with us. We have our drone looking at us, very beautiful. So you can now turn the drone to face the other side, and then we move forward. So you can easily stop the drone now. You can see how it comes down and it will off.